Thanks for logging on to WCBI.com. I'm meteorologist Jacob Dickey. On this Friday, expecting a mostly sunny to partly cloudy sky. Temperatures will boil into the 90s by the lunch hour. We're heading for the mid to upper 90s across the region. Some of us will push close to 100 today. Those heat index values into the triple digits. Look for north winds 2 to 5 miles an hour. Very light in nature. 97 is where we end up in Tupelo, 96 in Calhoun City and in Bruce. Water Valley also checking in at 96. Into the Golden Triangle, I've got 97 in West Point and in Columbus, 99 in Macon, Ackerman and Eupora at 95. West Alabama, 98 in Soldier and in Vernon, 99 will be the high today in Aliceville. As we look ahead through the day, the morning is looking mostly clear. By the afternoon, then, we get some of those clouds to form. We'll call it mostly sunny to partly cloudy, and some pop-up showers. Maybe a rumble of thunder can be expected. Very isolated in nature here moving forward. And now, some of the data suggests that later on this evening into the overnight hours, we could have a few isolated showers out there. I don't think it'll be anything that will impact football games widespread, but there could be a quick shower at a game and maybe a rumble of thunder. Cannot rule that out. Overall, Friday Night Football, I think, is looking okay. We'll call it partly cloudy to mostly clear throughout the game. Temperatures falling into the 70s by 9 p.m. And again, a stray shower can't be ruled out somewhere, but most games will be okay, if not all of them. Moving into the weekend, then, temperatures stay warm. We're staying in the 90s for the next 5 days. The heat index values remaining in the triple digits. And the pattern really is going to be hard to break here. We have a boundary settling on in, but it doesn't do a whole lot for us. I think it's a drier boundary. There could be a few spotty showers that form along that there, but by next week, high pressure is right back in control. And, of course, you see a couple of lows down in the tropics. Let's go ahead and talk about the tropics here, because there's been some updates and changes overnight that I want to share with you as far as things move forward. We do have 3 different systems now we're watching. There are 2 waves in the open Atlantic with low to medium chances for formation. And then we have a low pressure that's forming into the Bahamas. That's lifting off to the north and to the west. This is where it is right now this morning. Slowly organizing, looking a little bit better, but still taking its time as it slowly drifts to the north and to the west. We'll bring tropical storm force winds through much of the Bahamas through the weekend, I think, as it moves forward. It's called Tropical Depression 9 or Potential Tropical Cyclone 9. You'll hear both those terms interchangeably. Moving northwest at 6 miles an hour with 30-mile-an-hour winds. That's expected to increase. I think we'll be seeing it as a tropical storm by the afternoon into the evening hours tonight. And it will likely skirt the Florida coast and then head back out to sea. We're still dealing with it off the South Carolina coast on Wednesday morning. So something to monitor here is the trends and how it interacts with the water moving forward. Now, because that tropical moisture is taking an eastward drive, staying away from our region, that heaviest rain is off to the east. Notice up to a foot of rain can be expected in parts of coastal Florida, Georgia, and even South Carolina based on that track. And we are left high and dry as far as widespread beneficial rains. I will leave the chance there each day for perhaps an isolated to scattered shower or a storm on there, but overall things are remaining hot. We're keeping the 90s all the way through the next 7 days with a mostly sunny to partly cloudy sky.